Hey guys, my name is Elijah, and in this tutorial I will show you how to create a category on Spendee. So first step is to open up your Spendee app, so click on that. Now let's say you will want to add an expense, so click on this plus icon, and now you have to pick from these categories. But what if none of these categories suits your expense? Just simply press on this gear icon right here. Once you're there, press this plus icon down here and then simply choose category name. So let's choose cameras and then simply choose category color and category icon. So I will try to find a camera here, which I cannot seem to find. It is surely somewhere right here, so I will just pick coffee and then simply click on create category. Now, once the category is created, you can find it down here, or you can move it up if you want, like so. Just click and drag from this side. So you can move it all the way up, let's say, and make it visible or invisible with this eye icon. Press on it, click on Save Changes. And now the category is right here. Thank you for watching. If this video was helpful to you, consider subscribing and liking this video, and I will see you in the next tutorial. Bye bye.